How to private your featured photos on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can private your featured photos on your Facebook app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure that you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Messenger, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook and Messenger app to the latest version. Once you've updated Facebook, now I'm going to basically go ahead and then open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. And just for the context of this video, if I go ahead and then simply go to my profile page, and you'll be able to see my profile page menu options, and if I scroll down, you'll be able to see this featured section. But let's say that I want to actually private my featured photos and videos. If I tap on it and if I tap on the three dots, you can see we do not have any option to edit the privacy of this featured photo. Now hopefully there are a couple of things which you can do. If you want to hide your featured photos from a specific person, or you don't want them to see the main page or the main thumbnail of your featured photos, well, in that case you could simply add another photo and then add that as a featured photo, which isn't really your photo but just a dummy picture which you can use to not let someone else see it. Or else the other thing you can do is you will not be able to edit the privacy of your featured photos from here. Instead, we have to go to the menu page, which you see on the top right corner of the screen. As you go to the menu page, again you'll be able to see a list of options. You have to scroll down to the very bottom, select settings and privacy, and then select privacy shortcuts. As you select privacy shortcuts over here, you can see it says see more privacy settings. Simply tap on it. As you select see more privacy settings, over here you can see it says who can see your stories. Currently it is set to public. Now basically when you edit the privacy of your stories, it will also automatically edit the privacy of your featured collection, which means aka your featured and your stories in general. So if you want the public to see it, that's perfectly fine. If you want friends, then you can set it to friends. You can set it to hide story from, or custom if you wanted it to, but I will simply leave it to public in this case. But you can choose custom, and you can choose one or two dummy accounts, and that will basically not let anybody view your featured and your stories on Facebook. Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.